Looking for a bathroom exhaust fan with humidity sensor and light? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 10 bathroom exhaust fan available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect exhaust fan for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the BV Ultra Quiet 90 CFM 0.8 zone bathroom ventilation and exhaust fan. The BV Ultra Quiet 90 CFM 0.8 zone bathroom ventilation and exhaust fan is a great choice for those who are looking for a quiet and efficient bath fan. This fan features silent clever technology, which allows it to operate at only 0.8 zone. Additionally, the fan is HVI 2100 certified and UL approved, so you can be confident in its quality and performance. The Panasonic FV08-11 VSC1 Whisper Value Select Bath Fan comes with a 1-year limited product warranty, so you can be sure that you are covered in case of any problems. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Braun Very Quiet Ceiling Bathroom Exhaust Fan. The high-quality fan is a very quiet and energy-efficient exhaust fan that runs on 0.3 zones. It is motor-engineered for continuous operation. The fan is easy to install and/or replace existing product for years and needs only 2x8 construction space. Can be used over bathtubs or showers when connected to a GFCI protected branch circuit. The fan includes a hanger bar system for fast, flexible installation for all types of construction and a 6 ducting for superior performance. The fan is Energy Star qualified and HVI certified to ensure the best quality for your home. It is very important to use the correct ducting for proper airflow performance. They must use 6 ducting or larger, and the shortest amount of ducting is best. Any turns in duct work should be 2 feet away from the fan housing and at least 2 feet between the next elbow if additional turns are needed. At number 3 on our list, we have the Tech Drive Very Quiet 70 CFM 2.0 zone bathroom ventilation and exhaust fan. The Braun Newton 688 ceiling and wall mount ventilation fan is a very quiet and strong bathroom fan that is perfect for bathrooms up to 75 square feet. It is easy to install and replace most small bathroom standard fans using the existing ceiling opening. This fan is UL and HVI certified for performance assurance and is very efficient and quiet. The galvanized steel housing resists corrosion, and the motor performance is excellent, working at least 25,000 hours. At number 4 on our list, we have the K's Appliance SE110PL2 Ultra Quiet Bathroom Exhaust Fan. The K's Appliance SE110PL2 Ultra Quiet Bathroom Exhaust Fan is a high-quality, reliable bathroom fan that will provide you with years of service. The ceiling opening size is 11 3/8 x 10.5, so you may need to resize your existing ceiling opening to accommodate this fan. The sound level of the Aventine is 0.9 zones at 110 CFM, making it suitable for bathroom size up to 110 square feet. The LED light panel is 11 watts and has a color temperature of 3000 K. The installation is easy with the sliding hanger bars that allow the fan housing to be positioned accurately anywhere between the framing. The bars span up to 24 inches and can be used on all types of framing. The ducting is easy to remove and has a 6-inch duct with backdraft prevention damper. The Aventine also comes with a 4-inch duct adapter. We proudly stand behind our products with a 3-year warranty. At number 5 on our list, we have the Hauslane BF200 electric bathroom fan. This fan is rated at 1.2 zone, making it ideal for any housing. The detachable design makes it perfect for any remodeling project with no attic access or low-profile ceiling. The perfect size for room up to 120 SQFT, this fan can move air for any bathroom. Along with an efficient electric exhaust fan, the home ventilator features a 6W LED light panel at 5000 K to provide convenient room illumination. The electric bathroom fan unit is supplied with a 2-year limited guarantee. At number 6 on our list, we have the Ultra Quiet Bathroom Exhaust Fan. This fan is designed to be corrosion resistant and has a black painted galvanized steel housing with an excellent copper ball bearing motor, making it long-lasting. With 110 CFM suction power, it can remove humidity and odors from your bathroom quickly and easily. It's also super quiet, with a 1.5 sones noise level, so you won't even know it's there. Plus, it comes with dimmable LED bulbs, so you can save even more on your energy bill. And if you ever have any problems with installation, just refer to the professional instruction manual or video. This fan is also listed for over tub and shower with GFCI and HVI certified. Plus, it comes with a 3-year warranty, so you can be confident in your purchase. At number 7 on our list, we have the Tech Drive Very Quiet 80 CFM Bathroom Exhaust Fan. This bathroom fan is a very quiet and strong bathroom fan perfect for bathrooms up to 85 square feet. It is easy to install, with no cut housing and no attic access installation, and it replaces most small bathroom standard fans using the existing opening. It is also efficient and quiet, with an excellent motor performance, and it is Energy Star qualified and UL and HVI certified for performance assurance. At number 8 on our list, we have the Tech Drive Super Quiet 70 CFM 0.3 Sone Bathroom Exhaust Fan. This fan is perfect for bathroom up to 75 to 80 SQ. Ford and features strong air movement, 70 CFM. Additionally, it is Energy Star qualified, UL and HVI certified for performance assurance. Plus, it comes with a 2-year limited product warranty. At number 9 on our list, we have the BV Ultra Quiet 150 CFM 2.0 Sones Bathroom Ventilation and Exhaust Fan. The 2.0 Sone Super Quiet performance is a great way to get your bathroom ventilated without all of the noise. The mounting opening is 10.5 x 10.5 and the height is 8. The stainless steel 4-duct collar is a great way to get your bathroom ventilated for up to 150 SQ foot. The HVI 2100 certified and UL approved performance is a great way to get your bathroom ventilated with quality and performance assurance. The 1-year limited product warranty with technical support service included is a great way to get your bathroom ventilated with quality and performance assurance. And finally at number 10 on our list, we have the K's Appliance SE90P Ultra Quiet Bathroom Exhaust Fan. The housing size for this fan is 11 3/8 x 10.5 inches, so you will need to resize your existing ceiling opening if your current fan housing is smaller. This fan is also very quiet, with a powerful 90 CFM and quiet operation at 0.3 sones. It is suitable for bathroom size up to 90 square feet. The sliding hanger bars allow fan housing to be positioned accurately anywhere between the framing, and the bars span up to 24 inches. The ducting is also removable, with a 6-inch duct and back draft prevention damper. The 4-inch duct reducer is also included. This product is also very reliable, with a 3-year warranty. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.